Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform, which is RemotePC and GoTo Resolve. So let's get started with a quick analysis. RemotePC stands out as a cost-effective and user-friendly remote access solution, ideal for individuals, small businesses, and a team needing a straightforward remote desktop capabilities. It offers features like always on and attended access, file transfer, remote printing, multi-monitor support, and mobile access. Remote PC also provides a collaboration tool such as a whiteboard chat, a video conference, enhancing remote teamwork. It also affordable for simplicity and making it a practical choice for those seeking a reliable access without extensive IT infrastructures. And talking about GoTo Resolve, on the other hand, is a tailored IT teams and managed service provider requiring a comprehensive remote support and its management capabilities. It combines remote access with features like conventional ticketing, remote monitoring, and management, RM pouch management, and a zero trust security architecture. GoTo Resolve also integrates with tools like Microsoft Teams, facilitating a seamless IT support workflow, while more complex is offered a unified platform for organization needing IT support functionalities. And here, a conclusion about this platform. So you can simply opt in for remote PC for affordable, straightforward remote access, reliability for individuals and a small business, and probably go for GoTo Resolve if your organization require a robust all-in-one IT support and a management solution with advanced features and integration. And that's it.